Not and good. Whether it's not asking.
Before I go into the speech let me special recognize our co-bishop and bishop of Nnewi Diocese. My husband specially said that if I come in here and I see you, I should congratulate you specially. So thank you so much for your relation. You could have been here by yourself that time. But the same assignment that took him away today also took him away that time. He is in Mali now. If not, he could have been in your relation. So even if it's not there, but remember he was there in spirit with you. Anywhere we are praying for you. May the Almighty love you with you. Thank you so much. Her Excellency, my dear friend, my daughter, my sister, the wife of the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Mrs. Eberechi, Wendy Obiano, my beloved sister. His Excellency, my husband, younger brother, and a special family friend, the former governor of Anambra State, and our former vice president aspirants, Peter Obi. Thank you for this today. Okute Igbo. Members of National Assembly that are here, I can see Chris Azopopo and his friend that is also here with us. May the Almighty God be with you. Innocent Chukwuma and his dear family. The family of the Chukwuma were here because of you and because of your mother's death. You are quite recognized. All traditional rulers here present. May I especially recognize the Igbo Nnewi that is also here with us. And the priests, all the priests that are here in our midst, the fathers, the reverend fathers, thank you for coming. And the choristers, the angels, we are not left out. Members of the praise, may I especially recognize the women of Anambra State, the women of Nnewi, the women of Igbo land. Thank you for coming. And that's my constituency. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you are quite welcome. I heard when Bishop was saying that preach Igbo language for her. Bishop, people who want Igbo. come here and read this speech for everyone here present. On behalf of my husband, His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, and other members of my family, I have come here to offer my sincere condolence to Chief Dr. Innoson and all the members of the Chukwuma's family on the transition to eternal glory of your beloved mother, Mrs. Martha Chukwuma. As a human beings, we usually experience deep sorrow and grief whenever we lose a family member of someone close to us. This is because the death of a loved one always creates a vacuum in our hearts, which only the Almighty God in His infinite mercy can fill. The death of a mother is even more painful because of the priceless role they play in nurturing the children, stabilizing the family, and shaping the society. Mama Martha Chukwuma was the kind of mother everyone would like to have because of her exceptional wisdom, greatness, and love for humanity. So I can only imagine the deep pain that you feel. Please be comforted by the fact that Mama was a devoted and grateful mother who trained her children in the way of God, thereby contributing to their success in life and the development of our society. Their significant contribution to the growth of the nation's economy and great accomplishments as an industrialist, as well as the achievements of their siblings and other members of their family, their testimony to Mama's movement, sense of duty and commitment to family values. Mama's legacy of hard work, love, and compassion will continue to reflect in the lives of their family members, and all those whose lives she touched with her kindness. I believe God reward her for all her good deeds here on earth with the grace of a long and productive life, for which she was able to live for 101 years, which is not easy. Which most of us here, we are praying the God Almighty make us to live like Mama and more. May God grant her soul eternal, and may He bless you and the entire family with the strength to bear His irrevocable loss. Thank you, and God bless all of you.